everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is a quick reminder for you all for the crash course which is going to start from the 28th of March. So if you haven't yet enrolled in this revision crash course, all you have to do is you have to pay a minimal amount and then you have to send the screenshot of the same on the number as given in the description box. I have given all the information regarding the enrollment process in the description box. Check it out. So if you wish to enroll in the same, do not wait for the last moment and get enrolled and start off with the revision purpose as soon as possible with me in the live sessions which will be held at 9 to 10 p.m. from Monday to Friday. This particular crash course is a 50 class crash course in which we will be having regular doubt sessions. We will be organizing very structured classes so that you can revise all the topics in the best manner possible. In addition to that, if you're searching out for something to start off with the preparation, this course could be very helpful. It would help you to understand that what are the important areas you need to focus upon. So, this was about this particular video. It is a quick reminder for you all. Do not wait for the last moment. Get enrolled in this particular course which is going to start from the 28th of March. The complete information is given in the description box. Check it out and get your enrollment as soon as possible. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video and also all the very best for this particular examination.